Hi, I'm Doug. I work with 20 great guys in St. Louis at Doug Jenkins Custom Hot Rods, and we're going to do some work for you today on ExpertVillage. Alex is using a MIG welder. It's a wire feed welder that is very affordable. You can pick them up anywhere. They're easy to use. The wire is fed out of the tool in his hand and given an electric charge, which accomplishes the weld.
So he's tack welding it now, right?
Just right now, Alex is tacking the piece in place to test for fit, and he's forming it a little bit to make sure it's perfect before he stitches it all the way in. The area had to be very clean before he started his weld, or none of the weld would work well on the parent material.